a sound adventure. We'll get on the wheel, we'll guess the animals. Are you ready?
Yeah! Listen close and shout it out. Let's find out what it's all about. I hear a sound that goes
Meow, meow, meow.
soft and sweet, can you guess it now? Guess which animal is it? Squirrel, you're right, it's a cat.
Good job.
You're so smart at that. I hear a sound that goes woof, 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 barking loud and wagging poofs. Guess which animal is it? And yes, it's a dog, you're on a roll. Clap your hands, you've reached your goal. I hear a sound that goes ba, ba, ba. Woolly and white from near or far. Guess which animal is it? And it's a sheep, you got it right. You're a guessing star so bright. I hear a sound that goes moo moo, big and brown and likes to chew. Guess which animal is it? On a cow, yes, wow, wow, wow. You're a guessing pro now. I hear a sound that goes roar, loud and strong, king of the floor. Guess which animal is it? You're a lion, that's right again. You're the best, tell a friend. I hear a sound, it's silent and fast, running speedy, zooming past. Guess which animal is it? You a cheetah, you nailed the clue. So many right, I'm proud of you. I hear a sound that goes oink, oink, sniffing around the muddy point. Guess which animal is it? You're a pig, yes, round and pink. You're quicker than you think. Yay! I hear a sound that goes cluck, cluck, laying eggs with lots of pluck. Guess which animal is it? You're a hen, you guessed once more. Give yourself a cheer and roar. You guessed them all, hip hip hooray. Let's play again another day. Animals sing, they shout and play. Keep on learning every day. Every day. I hear a sound that goes
Meow, meow, meow.
soft and sweet, can you guess it now? Guess which animal